Just a block party.
Looks like.
Those are some nice socks he's got on there.
Huh. Having a block party, you know. Unfortunately, my battery's not very charged, so. It's complete with boat.
Yeah.
You can see the water lines on the building. See, further down, they were totally underwater. These are only, only had 2 or 3 feet of water in them. See the damage done. Imagine the ones that were 12 feet of water. Plus you got the wind damage, from the hurricane. Mostly what you got here is just people's gutted their houses and throwing everything out on the curb. You just totally have to rebuild. Furniture and everything's just all lost. These are the people who were lucky. Their houses aren't being demolished.
They ought to be.
Well, some will be, I'm sure.
They should have been before, though.
Well.
No bulldozing. Save our neighborhood. What neighborhood? Is that a school?
Could be. Don't know what it was. Family tree restaurant. These trees uprooted right here. That tree just split over and took the front of that house right off. And right over here, you have nothing but the roof sitting on what was probably a house. The whole thing just got washed out. Some definitely did better than others. Doesn't look like anybody's trying to live in here right now. These cars are all ones that were flooded. That's where they were left.